All right, here's what I mean when I say whatever time frame you're using to trade off of, use the time frame to the left. So for example, say you're using the 30-minute time frame to trade off of. Here I have these deviation indicators. The higher the number, the stronger the trend. But if you're trading off of like the 30-minute or higher, well, I'll say the hour chart or higher, and you have pretty much a 2 or a 3. A 1 is, it's okay, I guess. You just want to use a higher time frame. But so like say for example, you have let's see, on this 30-minute time frame, what I have here is my arrow alert, and I have my there's a 1 here. So I know this is gonna get ready to trend upwards. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm trading off the 30-minute time frame, I'm gonna use the 15-minute time frame for my entry, and this is for forex, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So I see this, yeah, these indicators do repaint, so it could have been over here or whatever, then drops more, but whatever. The time frame to the left is going to show you your entry point. So watch what I'm talking about. Okay, so say it repainted, say it was here, then it repainted here, and then it finally goes up. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about when I say the time frame to the left will show you your entry point. All right, so I'm going to go to my 15-minute time frame, and I'm going to be entering my trade once this green D plus moving average crosses this 25 level on the ADX, and then also my RSI period 5 crosses level 50 for a buy. So like I said, it could have repainted, but the time frame to the left will show you your entry. So we would enter our trade right here. You see how this crosses, green crosses up for a buy, and then you got your RSI is cross 50 level. So we're going to take our trade right here for a buy position for forex, and as you can see, our entry level becomes a support level for this trade. You see how the price comes down and taps it, and then it finally takes off. It's a small trend because remember, on the 30-minute chart we're only trading the 1, so it's going to go from 1 to 1 to 1, which is a very short uptrend, but you can still catch, you know, a decent amount of pips or whatever. Now for instance, if this was a 3 or a 2, you would have caught a lot more pips. You see there's a 3 here, and it trends all the way up. See how it keeps going up until it hits a 3. This 3 is over here, so that was a very strong uptrend. But anyway, so the trade right here, also on the 15-minute, you see how the price comes down and touches this channel. Price comes down, touches this channel, and then it bounces off of it and it goes up. So that actually was a total of, go before it reverses, about 553 micros. So you know, you caught over 50 pips on that trade if you would have taken that one. But that's what I mean. Whatever time frame you're using, use your time frame to the left for your entry. Let me show you an example for the 4-hour, and then I'll get off here. I'll shut my mouth. Let's see. So this is the 4-hour. This is the 4-hour. And here's the one. Like I said, the longer the time frame, if you have a 1 or a 2, you're still going to get a lot of pips because this is a 4-hour time frame and it's very large. So right here, we have a 1 here on the 4-hour. You're going to use your 1 hour for your entry. Okay, here's the 1 hour. Right here, there's a 2 here, so it's a pretty decent. It's gonna be a pretty decent uptrend. This goes from 2 to 2. So you would enter your trade once the green crosses this 25 level on your ADX, and your RSI crosses that 50 level here. And let's go back to the 4-hour and watch our trade. Here's our trade right here. You see how the price never comes back down. It takes off and it it goes all the way up. So that's what I mean when I'm talking about use your time frame to the left for your entry. So if you need help, I'm here to help. Like I said, I just joined IML and I'm ready to help everybody make some profit. Let's get this money.